Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Ashanti. Now, Ashanti is talking about the only way to be happy is to have a peace of mind, and he goes in to discuss the situation, you know, as he's going to have peace with Donna and also Chris. He's saying peace of mind is the best thing, the best way to be happy. So go and subscribe now.
So the devil always I go try take out that happiness there. Let me tell you something. My viewers, my 360 family, everybody who I watch. The only way you're gonna be happy if you have a peace of mind. You have to have peace inside. And you're in, you're up on the side in favor with God. That means you do the right things or you try to do the right things because you're in favor with God. Somebody put up the meaning of hope for me, please. Hope, Hope. Share the life. What you expect from your life? What me expect from going in this peace with Dana and Chris? What me expect? Open up one eye, peep through one eye, because things will happen in the past. I can't do that. I have to go in fully. Can't put one foot in and one. What you expect today when you get up? You're going to have a sad day. You're not going to have a good day at work. The kids are going to get trouble. Can't live a life like that. I do that for a long period of my time in life. You can't just wake up and I think about the negative. God been good to you, to me. And there's so much for us. You are precious, I'm precious, you are a gem. Alright, thank you, Hope. You give the meaning of your name. A feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. Thank you. Hope, the meaning of it, Hope name to a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. Happiness comes from that. You can't wake up and think everything will go wrong. You can't wake up and think, oh, this not going to work out. The same thing I going to start over back. Corey said, looking for a better tomorrow or a strong belief that things will be better. Correct. My love to say happiness comes from expecting good things in our life. Happiness comes from expecting good things in our life. That's having hope. Expecting something good is going to happen in our life anytime. Not just thinking about the negative. Love you too, Hope. Let me read what Pearl said. Even if there is a trauma in the past, keep looking forward, but not in the past. Lot's wife is a mentor for those who cannot let go of the past. We control our destiny by thoughts that occupy our thoughts. 100% I agree. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. People, our happiness is based, as a person said, on our thoughts, what we believe. See, when you believe you're going to have a sad day. You believe everything is going to go wrong. Come on, man, let's get some more share on the live. Some more share. Happiness to me depends on what you believe. You believe in yourself. You believe you can do it. Can get that job. Can have a good relationship with your loved ones, with your friends, co-workers. A lot of your happiness depends on that, what you believe about yourself. What we believe about the past, as Pearl said. What you believe about the past. You get raped, which is sad, but nothing else good now gonna happen in my life. No, that's not true. Somebody do me something wrong. That don't